Wizzard AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just someone looking for an edge in meal planning, this could be the tool you've been waiting for. Stick around because I'll also share how you can try Wizzard AI for completely free through the first link below. Let's dive right in. First up, what makes Wizzard AI stand out? It's a game changer for anyone trying to optimize meal planning, especially when it comes to automating meal suggestions based on your dietary preferences, health goals, and budget. Unlike traditional meal planners, this software uses AI to generate personalized meal plans that fit your exact needs. One of the standout features is its ability to take into account specific dietary requirements. Whether you follow keto, vegan, gluten-free, or any other specific diet, Wizzard AI can create meal plans tailored to those preferences. This level of customization means that whether you're trying to lose weight or just eat healthier, you can get daily meal suggestions that make it easier to stay on track. Wizzard AI doesn't just plan meals either, it helps you shop smarter. The software automatically generates shopping lists based on the meal plans it suggests, which is a huge time saver. It even adjusts the shopping list based on your local grocery store prices, making it easier to stick to your budget. The next thing you'll want to know is how Wizzard AI integrates with other apps. This software doesn't exist in a vacuum. It can sync up with popular fitness and health apps to track your progress, giving you a holistic view of how your meals are impacting your fitness goals. It's perfect for those who like to have all their data in one place. Another major plus is its user-friendly interface. Despite being packed with features, Wizzard AI doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. The dashboard is simple to navigate, so you can quickly get to work without wasting time. Plus, it's cloud-based, meaning you can access your meal plans anywhere, on your phone, tablet, or computer. But what about the meal recipes? Wizzard AI provides step-by-step cooking instructions, and it even includes video tutorials for complex meals. If you're not a seasoned chef, this feature is a game changer. It'll guide you every step of the way. One thing I love about this software is how quickly it adapts to your feedback. If you try a meal plan and it doesn't quite work for you, Wizzard AI learns from that experience and suggests better options next time. This feedback loop is one of the reasons this software continues to improve and become more personalized the longer you use it. Finally, let's talk about the price. With all these features, you'd expect Wizzard AI to come with a hefty price tag. But here's the good news. You can actually try it for free, and there's a paid option that's quite affordable compared to other meal planning apps on the market. So to recap, Wizzard AI offers personalized meal plans, integrates with other apps, and helps you save time and money on your grocery shopping. It's easy to use, adapts to your feedback, and includes helpful recipes and cooking guides. If you want to try it for free, click the first link in the description. If you're looking for more top AI tools, check out my list of recommended AI software below. I've tested thousands of these tools to bring you the best options that help improve your daily life, and I'm confident you'll find something great in there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.